Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant. We know antioxidants are good for our health. It's found naturally in fruits and vegetables. Think oranges and strawberries. Our bodies need vitamin C. However, we don't make it naturally. We must get it from our diet and from topical applications. Vitamin C is essential for overall health, but it also plays a vital role in maintaining healthy skin. When applied topically, vitamin C transforms from the inside out. It protects, brightens, and promotes a youthful complexion. Vitamin C serums have gained immense popularity in the skincare world. This is due to their remarkable ability to combat various skin concerns. More on that later. Let's dive deeper into the wonderful world of vitamin C and discover how it can revitalize your skin. Not all vitamin C is created equal. Different types of vitamin C are used in skincare products. Each has unique properties and benefits. L-Ascorbic Acid is the purest and most potent form of vitamin C. It is highly effective in reducing hyperpigmentation. It also boosts collagen production. However, it can be unstable and oxidize quickly. Sodium Ascorbyl Phosphate is a stable derivative of vitamin C. It is gentle on the skin and less likely to cause irritation. It is also effective in fighting acne. Magnesium Ascorbyl Phosphate is another stable form of vitamin C. It is known for its hydrating properties and is well tolerated by sensitive skin. Ascorbyl glucoside is a water-soluble derivative of vitamin C. It is easily absorbed by the skin and converts into L-Ascorbic Acid upon absorption. Understanding the different types of vitamin C can help you choose the right product for your skin type and concerns. We'll dive deeper into this in the next section. Vitamin C is crucial for maintaining the health and vibrancy of your skin. Let's explore why your skin craves this potent antioxidant. Vitamin C protects your skin from environmental aggressors like pollution and UV radiation. It's essential for collagen synthesis, keeping your skin firm and youthful. It also helps reduce hyperpigmentation, promoting an even skin tone. Lastly, vitamin C enhances your skin's natural sun protection. Incorporating vitamin C into your routine can give you a radiant, youthful complexion. With so many vitamin C derivatives available, choosing the right one for your skin can seem daunting. Don't worry, we'll break it down for you. L-Ascorbic Acid is the gold standard. It's the most potent form and offers the most comprehensive benefits. However, it is also the most unstable and can oxidize quickly. If you're new to vitamin C, start with a lower concentration like 10% and gradually increase it as tolerated. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate is a great option for sensitive skin. It's gentle, less likely to cause irritation, and effective in fighting acne. Magnesium ascorbyl phosphate is another excellent choice for sensitive skin. It's known for its hydrating properties and is well tolerated. Ascorbyl glucoside is a good all-rounder. It is easily absorbed, converts into L-ascorbic acid upon absorption, and is suitable for most skin types. When choosing a vitamin C serum, look for airtight, opaque packaging to prevent oxidation. Store it in a cool, dark place. Section 5. Unlock radiant skin benefits of vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serums are a staple in many skincare routines for good reason. They brighten skin, fade hyperpigmentation, and promote an even skin tone. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that protects your skin from environmental aggressors. It neutralizes free radicals, preventing premature wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin C boosts collagen, improving skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. It also enhances skin hydration, keeping it supple and preventing dryness. Finally, vitamin C enhances your skin's natural sun protection. Incorporating vitamin C serum can lead to a brighter, more youthful complexion. Section 6. Your guide to applying vitamin C serum like a pro. Now that you know the amazing benefits of vitamin C serum, let's learn how to apply it correctly for optimal results. Step 1. Cleanse your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities. Step 2. Follow up with a toner to balance your skin's pH level and prepare it for better absorption of the serum. Step 3. Take a pea-sized amount of vitamin C serum and apply it evenly to your face and neck. Use gentle upward strokes, avoiding the delicate eye area. Step 4. Allow the serum to absorb fully into your skin before applying any other products. Step 5. Finish off with a moisturizer to hydrate your skin and lock in the serum's benefits. Step 6. Always apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher during the daytime, especially after using vitamin C serum, as it can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Use your vitamin C serum daily, ideally in the morning, to reap its full benefits. Section 7. Expert tips for maximizing your vitamin C serum results. To get the most out of your vitamin C serum, here are some expert tips to keep in mind. Firstly, always store your vitamin C serum properly. Exposure to air, light, and heat can oxidize the vitamin C, rendering it ineffective. Look for airtight, opaque packaging and store it in a cool, dark place. Secondly, start with a lower concentration of vitamin C, especially if you have sensitive skin. Begin with a 10% concentration and gradually increase it to 15% or 20% as tolerated. Thirdly, patch test any new vitamin C product before applying it to your entire face. Apply a small amount to an inconspicuous area like your inner forearm, and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Lastly, be patient and consistent with your vitamin C serum. It can take several weeks or even months of regular use to see visible results. By following these expert tips, you can maximize the effectiveness of your vitamin C serum and achieve a radiant, youthful complexion. Section 8. Embrace the power of vitamin C for a youthful glow. Vitamin C serums are a game changer in the skincare world. Their ability to brighten, protect, and rejuvenate the skin is unmatched. By understanding the different types of vitamin C, choosing the right one for your skin, and using it correctly, you can unlock the transformative power of this potent antioxidant. Incorporate a vitamin C serum into your daily skincare routine. You'll be amazed at the remarkable difference it can make in your skin's health and appearance. Embrace the power of vitamin C and enjoy a radiant, youthful glow that radiates from within.